welcome back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and this is IdleGirl. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. You can also hit the bell button and that will notify you when I upload new videos. It's also a good idea because I do a lot of live videos, and if you want to be involved in the live videos, then that notification will tell you when I am live. Yay! So today's video is quite exciting. As you guys know, I am a distributor for the POOCHIEZ Realistic Practice hands here in the UK, and I am obsessed with these hands. I love them. I have like 7 or 8 of my own. That's probably not the best thing to admit, but yeah, I also sell them to people here in the UK. And if you are interested, my website link is down below and I'll try and leave some links in this video. I can never remember which side it is. This one. I think it's this one. I don't know, you guys. It's one of them. So anyways, I have got an unboxing for you today. It's one of the hands, but it's like a kit that you get with the hand. If that makes sense. You'll understand when I show you it. So this is the little box that it comes in. I am actually using my glossy boxes. That's what this is here. I just think they're so beautiful and pink, and I kept them all from when I started, from when I very first started, so I have lots. So I thought this is a way for me to like use them and yeah, show you guys. Let's get into this. So these are available from my website www.idlegirl.co.uk, and like I said, the links will be in the description box. They're in all the description boxes of all my videos, and also I will leave some on the screen as well. So this box is one that I've literally just put together to show you guys. It's even got like my own primer on that in it. It's not all got all the brand new stuff in it, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what comes in the box. So without it all falling out, I'll try and show you as well. How am I going to get a picture for the thumbnail for this, guys? I don't know how else going to go. But yeah, I'm going to just pick out now and show you what we've got. So first of all, I might as well get straight into the hand. So this here is a Bella hand. She is beautiful. Let me come a little bit closer for you guys. So this is Bella. And this kit at the moment that I have got available, I'm just doing it for Bella and Rosie, just because they are the ones that I have a good amount of, and that's just what's going on at the moment. In the future, if you're watching this in like 6 months' time, you might be able to get any of the hands. At the moment, it's just Bella and Rosie. So this is Bella. Now, some of the POOCHIEZ hands have got this marking on the back that says POOCHIEZ nails. It's like engraved into the hand. Don't worry, not all of them have this just yet, but I think it's something that POOCHIEZ is looking in the future for all of the hands to have. Most of mine don't have these on because I've had mine for a while. I think I've got like one actually that's got an engraving in it. But yeah, this is just Bella and she's just beautiful. So these tips here, these are what she comes with, and you also get a pack of these in the kit. So these are just the white coffin full tips that you get. And yeah, so that is the hand. So I've given you like a nice look of the hand for anyone who doesn't already know what these hands are like and what they look like. Most of you watching this video probably do, but actually some of you might be new to it. In my opinion, there's a lot of hands on the market. In my opinion, these are the toppest, most highest possible quality, and they're the most realistic looking, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Please, anybody don't bite my head off for saying that. That's just my opinion. So I'll go then from that into the tips that you get. These, I've got some more of these in order, so they might come in a different bag, but it's going to be the same tips. They're just white coffin tips. And you get a pack of 500 or 600 of those. I don't know why they made the 600 ones. You get 2 extra bags of one size. I don't know why that is, but I have quite a few of tips that are like that. So the next thing I'm going to show you is some more tips. Now everything in here, I think everything in here you can buy on the website separately as well. So that's also an option. Those tips are available on the website, and these ones also are available. These are the Mia's Secret ones. Now I've included 3 packs of these. I think you get 12 in a pack. But if you have a look on the website, you can also buy these in a pack of 2. So on the website you would buy a pack of 2, but I have actually added 3 bags of these to these kits. I just wanted to give you guys a nice like goodie box full of treats to use with your Poochie's hand. And you can use these to do like extreme crazy long nails. I have got a steampunk set that I don't even think I've edited yet that needs to go up, that I did on some really long nails. But yeah, so you get those in there as well. Now, with a silicone hand, you need to use a special primer. I have added in here both of the primers that I sell. So this one is the Mia's Secret Extra Blend. Now this is actually a primer to be used on humans. But I have found that you can use this on the Poochie's hand, but it's got a much, what's the word? It's got a lesser grip. So you're more likely to be able to remove them when you use this. But this is the proper primer. This is a primer that I would say really, now I've come to the conclusion that everybody really would want this. Even if you only use it once a month. And I'm going to get into that in a minute as well. But this is the Poochie's primer that is just for use on this silicone hand. You must not use this on humans. It's not a nail primer. It's a silicone primer. It's specially designed for this Poochie's hand, and that is what this is for. So you get both of those in the kit. So this is really handy because you can use this on clients or on yourself as well, which is really cool. I've also added, you're going to get a really, I love these, they're so cute, a cute little cuticle oil. Now these are from Mia's Secret. How cute is this? This is so cute. I don't know if you can see like the little things that are like little flowers inside it. Look, they're so cute. So this is in the flavour or the scent honey. Love it. It reminds me of like essential oils and stuff. It reminds me of this place where I used to live, this shop where I do live, called QLM. And it's kind of like a B&M basically, and it sold all these little, anyway I won't get into that. But this is in the shade, this is in the scent honeysuckle, and I also have jasmine. So you will either get honeysuckle or jasmine, and both smell beautiful. And that's just a cute little thing because I love to apply oil to my Poochie's hand before I take pictures. It just makes it look more realistic, gets rid of any dust, and I just love them. So yeah, cuticle oil is a good shout. So you're also going to get a glue so you can stick your nails down. You will use your primer and then you will use your glue. I have videos of how to do this on my channel. There is a playlist for the Poochie's practice hands, so please do go and check those out. I think they're also on the website as well on the listings for the hands. So this is the Mia's Secret Strong Jet Clear Nail Glue, and this is a brush on version. You're going to get one of these in the kit as well. I haven't been telling you sizes of things, but they're basically the sizes that are on the website. They're all full sizes of what's on the website. I've also added, just because I think it's really nice to have with the hands, I like to use these on my hands, and it's just a little cute set of rings. You get 5 rings in here. These are available to buy separately on the website as well. They're just like a gold, rustic, cute little set of rings which you can put on your hands, and it just makes them look a little bit more realistic, if that makes sense. Because, you know, people wear hands. No, people wear rings. People wear rings. So yes, and now my favourite part of this actually, or not my favourite part, the hand is the favourite part, but I've come out with these, I'm putting my name on these, adhesive tabs, basically. You would get a pack of 100 from the website, and I have added in here a pack of 20. So you get 20 of these tabs, which means with your hand, you're going to get 4 but you can also use these ones here. So you're going to get 6 goes with sticking the nails on. Now, I'm going to briefly speak about that. Basically, you've got your hand with these that she comes with. You can cut these down, make them shorter. These are going to be your base nail. But what you can then do is take some more of these nails, size them up, decide which ones you think fits better over this nail, or these ones, whichever tips you want to use. You are then going to use your tabs. You're going to stick your tab onto this, and then you're going to stick the nail onto this, and then use it, and then you can just peel away that nail and it will take you back to this. Now, the reason why I said about the original primer, even if you only say use it once a month, you might be able to get, because I have quite a few hands, I'm using them a lot and I'm getting a lot of uses out of one set of base nails. But I do think after you've used, maybe you might do 20 sets of nails and then think, they're now starting to look a little bit shabby, they're starting to come away a little bit. Let's soak them off and put a new set on and then get another 20 sets out of it. I hope that's making sense. I have got a video coming. It's either going to have been up just before this one or it's going to be just after this one on how to apply and remove using the nail tabs. So hopefully that will be very, very helpful for you all. I just wanted to touch on it because if you do buy this and you haven't seen that video, I want you to kind of know what these are for, and that is what you would do with these. They are amazing. They are a game changer. They've changed everything for me because literally now I put the nails on, I do my service, and I literally just take them off. You might struggle slightly with filing and they might start to come away, but it's not an issue whatsoever. I'm not the best at filing. I'm not the best at applying, so I have quite a bit of filing to do, but I always manage. And you guys watch me do it live in the live nail videos, so you guys know sometimes I have like a bit of trouble on an odd nail here and there, but yeah. But please do watch the video where I show you how to do it properly and you'll get the best results. I'm so excited. So that is everything in my little goodie box for you guys. I will leave the links to this actual kit in the video and down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and message me if you're interested in buying, and we can possibly do it just through messaging and I will sort you out with PayPal. My Facebook link is down below as well, so message me on there if you are interested. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye!